be showing you an interesting homemade Play-Doh recipe. Welcome to Sparklebox. Are you looking for some interesting DIY options? Then you must definitely visit our website mysparklebox.com because we have a wide range in maths, science, robotics and many more. Quickly visit our website and grab some interesting DIY kits for yourself. Now let's get started with our today's DIY. To make. Quickly check the description below and participate in the Sparklebox quiz. The top 5 winners will be eligible for monthly giveaways and you will also be rewarded with discount coupon codes. From 7th to 11th October, participate in this quiz and grab some interesting giveaways from Sparklebox. Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Do share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, let's stay connected with Sparklebox.